everyone, so I'm gonna work on the anniversary palette today, and the first colors I'm gonna use are the purples. So it's gonna be this, and okay, there you go, that. I use the purple Idolize. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's got like a chrome to it. That is so pretty. And again, I'm using creme brulee. Okay. And let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the blue on the bottom, and then I used this pink on the inner corners. Oh, and of course I used the blush. And let's see. Oh, and then I used Chrysalis for the lips. And that's the end of that. No news on any fantasy makers for the summer. Again, I hope they don't. I know last year they had a really small like side cap display. I just really hope they don't do it again, because that's just stressful trying to find the stuff, especially when they did 6 different colored highlighters and only put one in each store of those colors. That was stressful, driving all over Houston trying to find the other colors. So in the end I found it on I don't know if it was Macari or the other one, Poshmark. I found it on there. Anyway, okay, so I will see you guys next week with another anniversary palette eyeshadow look. Mwah.